Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another natural hair video. So in today's video, I am using Black-owned products for my wash day from straight to curly. And y'all, I am so excited for this wash day because my hair needed some TLC. And in honor of Black History Month, I wanted to make sure that I highlighted some Black-owned products. Now, these are products and brands that I use throughout the year, but I like making sure to give them their props even more so in the month of February. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so that way you can see when I upload some more videos. So my hair has been straight for the last 2.5 weeks, and you know when your hair is straight, it's really hard for you to be able to moisturize it without reverting your hair back to its curly state or its natural state. So I wanted to make sure that I gave my hair some extra moisture just to help it bounce back from being straight. Filled with love only, with a happy Now I do have a little bit of heat damage in the front, so kind of the sucky part, which is why I try not to add too much heat to my hair when I do it, but you know, my hair will bounce back, which is why I'm using the products I'm using to help give it that extra love it needs. Come on, hold my hand, it's my love. So I'm starting off with the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo from Mielle Organics, and I have been using this shampoo for the last couple of weeks, and when I tell y'all I love it, I absolutely 100% mean it. I love the way it foams up. I mean, as you can see, I literally just applied it to my hair and it already started foaming up. And I like when shampoos foam because it, you know, definitely feels like it's getting rid of all of the impurities, not only in my scalp, but also on my hair. And, you know, like I said, my hair has been straight for over 2 weeks, so I haven't really had the chance to, you know, moisturize my hair. And all of what I did, I added oil to my scalp just to, you know, make sure it wasn't dry. So I want to make sure that this shampoo really breaks up all of those impurities on my scalp so that way I can have clean hair to continue my wash day with. One of the benefits that I love about this shampoo is that it gently cleanses and protects hair. So whenever I rinse this shampoo out, it does not feel like it's stripping my hair. And it's also infused with biotin to encourage hair growth. So you can't go wrong with trying to, you know, help your hair grow nice and strong. Now that I've finished shampooing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and wash it out. And as you can see, my curls are starting to make a little comeback, which I am definitely appreciative of. And like I said, this shampoo is non-stripping. So when I use it, my hair feels so good, so soft, and definitely my scalp is feeling clean. Next, I am going in with the TGIN Miracle Repair X Strengthening Conditioner, and I love using this conditioner because it just helps my hair feel so soft and manageable. And one of the great things about this conditioner is that it helps repair damaged, brittle hair, helping it leave it soft, smooth, and manageable. And my hair needed it, okay, because my hair was feeling dry, it was feeling brittle, it needed that extra moisture. So that's why I love using this conditioner when my hair does need that extra TLC. So now that I have finished putting the conditioner in my hair, I just leave it in for about 5 minutes, and then I take the twist out and begin rinsing out my hair. And I'm telling y'all, my curls are starting to really make a comeback, and honestly, these were the best products I could have chosen to help my hair get back from straight to curly, because my hair needed all the love it could get. And one of the things that I really love about this conditioner is that it really helps replenish hair's natural oils. And so, like I said, when I was doing when my hair was straight, I used like oils to oil my scalp, but now this conditioner helps really replenish my hair's natural oils, especially after I went ahead and shampooed and cleansed my hair. Now I'm going in with the Mielle Organics Rice Water Clay Mask. And this is my actual first time using this mask, but I like that it said that it helps remove impurities while also depositing moisture back into the hair. And one of the unique things about this clay mask is that you can use it in your hair or on your skin. And as I add the mask to my hair, I like to make sure that I am coating every strand from scalp to the end of my hair with this clay mask, just to make sure that I am giving my hair all of the, benefits of the clay mask. And then I just use my wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. And y'all, please start from the bottom of your hair and then work your way up. Don't do like me, because I definitely don't know what I was trying to do. But I like to make sure that my hair is nice and detangled. And then I go ahead and just twist it. So that way my hair doesn't get tangled while I am adding the clay mask to the rest of my hair.
Don't try to hurt me.
Now, this clay mask has ingredients such as rice water and yuzu, which both help hydrate both the hair and body. So I'm definitely glad that I chose products that were going to give my hair that moisture and hydration it needed after being, not being able to moisturize it for almost 2 weeks.
We'll just be happy. Don't think of the morning. Just spend the evening with the stars shining on our own greeting. Don't think of the morning.
So I sat under the dryer for about 35 minutes. And listen, y'all, let me tell you, my hair felt so good after using this clay mask, and I hadn't even washed it out yet. My hair just felt really soft, and I was just glad my curl was coming back, because I was a little nervous after having my hair straight for so long. But now I am just rinsing out the clay mask, and let me tell y'all, I will definitely be using this clay mask again. Probably not as often, more so like when my hair needs that extra hydration. So, after having my hair straight for a while, or if I have my hair in braids and I take them out, I'll probably use this clay mask just to give it some extra loving.
Don't try to hurt me. Don't try to break me. I want you, baby. Just spend this night with me.
Now that my curls are where I need them to be, I am going in with the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. And this milk can act as a, like a moisturizer or a leave-in. So I'm using it as a leave-in, and it was definitely helping to detangle my hair. And I felt like I was able to just be able to, run my hand through it. So now I am sectioning off my hair so that way I can go ahead and add the next product to my hair.
With the stars shining on our own greeting.
So I'm going in with the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and typically most folks use this combination of the curl milk and the curl maker for like a wash and go, but I was being a little lazy, so I decided to just do a braid out. But I love how my curls were popping, so I'll definitely have to use this combo again for a wash and go. And now I'm just separating my hair into another smaller section so that way I can go ahead and do the braid out.
Try me once again, my love. Call me once again and ask me for the mother world. What a love.
So this curl maker, I wouldn't necessarily call it a gel per se, but I will say it had like a jelly consistency, so I know that I am definitely going to get some great definition from using this curl maker for my braid out. So now my hair is completely braided, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it air dry before I decide to take out the braids. Alright y'all, so it is the next day, like, what time is it? Like 24 hours on the dot. But basically I let my hair dry overnight, and I also sat under my hooded dryer for a couple of hours on and off because I wanted to make sure that my hair was completely dry, because if it's not completely dry, then we're not gonna have a good hair day. I've learned that lesson too many times. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take down my hair. I'm starting with the TGIN Miracle Repair X Anti-Breakage Serum. And I typically use this serum when I'm taking down my hair. I've used it a lot in other natural hair videos I've done. But I just like it. It's very lightweight, but it also like adds a little shine to my hair. And it helps me, you know, as I'm taking out my braids, that it doesn't get too frizzy. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this oil to my hands and rub it through my hair so I can prepare for the takedown. So I'm kind of glad that I did only like a few braids. It makes taking it down a little bit easier. I feel like I'm still gonna get some good definition, but I also didn't want to be sitting here all night trying to take down like 30 braids in my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section off my hair, just makes it easier for me to navigate. And if y'all see me looking down, it's because I have my mirror right here, so I want to make sure I'm doing this right. But I'm gonna turn so y'all can see. I'll take this braid out. Basically, since I twisted the end, I just, you know, take the twist out at the ends, and then I try to be very gentle with taking out the braids, because I don't want, the more like I pull at it, the more frizzy it'll get, like right there. But I try to keep it going steady, slow and steady, so that way it doesn't, like, my ends don't get as frizzy.
Come on and look at the moon tonight.
Okay, so y'all see that, like, nice little definition going. So I'm just gonna do the same thing for this braid and just take my time. I'm usually in a rush when I'm taking my hair down, so sitting here and just taking my time, I feel like feels really weird. Like, I feel like I need to rush through this, but I'm trying to minimize the frizz at the end, so you know, gotta take our time.
The stars are dancing to show the right. Come together, they cannot shine.
All right, definition, come through. I'm gonna repeat this process for the rest of my head, and then I will check back in with y'all when I got all my hair taken down. Alrighty, y'all, so this is my hair all taken out of the braids, and I have to say I'm loving this definition so far. I will say there were a few braids like in the middle of my head that the roots weren't 100% dry, but it shouldn't affect the way I want my hair to look. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just separate it. Since I already used the oil, I don't feel like I need to use any more because I don't want my hair to become oily. But I'm gonna go ahead and separate it, and then after that I am going to use my, where is it at? I never could find this comb. My pick to just kind of fluff out the roots. And then after that, what I'm gonna do off camera is I actually learned how to like stretch my hair. I'm gonna part it, stretch it, like using my blow dryer, but I'm not gonna touch the ends because I don't want the ends to become frizzy. So I'm gonna do that to kind of stretch it out, and then I'll be back to show you all the final product. But I'm gonna go ahead first and show y'all how I like separate my hair and fluff it, and then we'll keep this video rolling.
No, 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 no. Like this practice. In her eye, for you, my love, I brought the sun from the sky. Come and look at the moon tonight.
Alright, so we got one side done. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this other side, and then I'll show you all how I pick my hair out. Alrighty, y'all, so this is my hair all separated. So I'm gonna use my pick to kind of just at the roots. I don't like, getting towards the end because that's when some of the frizz comes out. And honestly, I don't even think I need to like stretch this right now. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I think I like it like this. I don't know, like I feel like this is giving a little bit more what I, oh, sometimes there's pieces that sneak in, but I will say the section that was a little wet, you can definitely tell it was a little wet. It's definitely puffy back there, but it's okay because the front looked good, okay? The front looked good. But I actually like how this looks right now. Stop playing in it so I don't mess up my hair. I think I'm not even gonna stretch it. This is cute. Okay, what do y'all think? Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. I'll link a video above to show you all when I like stretched out my braid out a couple of weeks ago. But I like how this looks. I'm gonna keep it just like this. So I really like the mix of products that I use for this wash day. And I'm glad I got my curls back from when it was straight in to now. Like I mentioned before, I am using the month of February to highlight some Black-owned businesses. So I'm really loving this whole wash day with Black-owned products. The hair is doing what it's supposed to do, okay? Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you think of this braid out that I did. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click those push notification buttons so you can see when I upload some more videos. Happy Black History Month. Until next time, bye.
Word on love. We just were alone. For the sake of love,